Motorola is back with a bang. Introducing the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, expected to release in April 2025. This beauty comes with a 6.7-inch POLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR 10+, and an insane 4,500 nits peak brightness. Protected by Corning's latest Gorilla Glass 7i, under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme chipset built on a 4nm process, paired with 8 or 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. And yes, it's the blazing fast UFS 4.0. Photography lovers, listen up. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Plus, a 50-megapixel selfie camera that shoots 4K videos. Keeping you going is a huge 6,000 mAh battery with 90-watt wired fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and even reverse-wired charging. It's lightweight at 186 grams, comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, and meets MIL STD 810H compliance for durability. Color options? You've got stylish picks like Shadow, Dazzling Blue, and Sparkling Grape. All of this is expected to land at around €700, a serious flagship killer for 2025. Excited about the Motorola Edge 60 Pro? Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech updates.